Hi, Mike Gigartua here. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to talk about two questions that I receive pretty often about the law of attraction. The first one is, how do I know if the law of attraction is working? And the second question is, how can I accelerate the manifestation process or make the law of attraction work faster? Well, first of all, we have to understand that the law of attraction doesn't have a switch that you can turn on or off. The law of attraction is working 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We're basically attracting on autopilot with our recurring thoughts, our feelings and emotions, etc. Right? Those determine our vibration, and everything is energy. Everything has a vibrational frequency, and we pretty much attract energy that is in harmony with our vibration. So the law of attraction never stops. Okay, so let's say I want to attract something specific, something in particular. Okay, I can visualize and I can work on generating the emotion that I would feel if it were already true. And once I've done the inner work to spark, that vibrational frequency of that which I wish to attract, a sign that the law of attraction is working is number one, synchronicities. You will begin to run into people that can maybe help you achieve your goals, or maybe you will suddenly have this bright idea on how you could earn the money in order to buy that of which you wish to attract, or to start a project or a new business. And of course, it's in you to take action. But those synchronicities are a clear sign that you did the first process right, and the law of attraction has started working in your favor. Now, there's a second sign that you're probably not going to like, but a lot of us law of attraction coaches have been through this, especially or particularly when we are trying to achieve something big according to our perception. Because for the universe, everything is energy, right? We're the ones that determine if something is going to be hard or easy to attract. When we perceive something as difficult or big, we tend to tag it as it will take longer, right? Well, anyway, a clear sign that it's just around the corner is things get worse. It almost seems like the universe is bullying you, right? Maybe it's a test of faith. Do you really want it? But it's a key moment, because this is where most people throw the towel and give up. And this is exactly when you need to push a little bit harder. Think of it, the analogy of a tsunami. When a tsunami is coming, the ocean recedes. It retracts. The water starts pulling back. And then that big wave of abundance that you were waiting for finally comes if you have strong faith and you wait long enough, right? So again, you need to visualize that which you wish to attract as if it were already true. But most importantly, you need to generate the emotion that you would feel if that were already true. Then you are putting yourself in a vibration to attract whatever it is your desire, whatever your desire is, right? So once you've done that, you will begin to experience synchronicities. And that's when you need to take action. You need to get up off the couch and make it happen. You're going to run into the right people. You're going to run into the tools you need. You're going to think of a way to attain the money that you need, and you make it happen. Now, things are going to get tough, especially towards the end. When you think you finally got it, things might suddenly start getting rough and start falling apart, and you just need to hold on to that faith, and you will see it manifest. Now, for the second question, how can I accelerate the manifestation process? Well, like I said, the law of attraction is always working, and there isn't a dial or a knob that you can turn up, to accelerate it. The correct way to put that question is, how can I not interfere in the process in a negative way? How can I avoid sabotaging the process, or how can I avoid delaying the process? Okay? What you need to understand here is that every time you ask yourself, when is it going to manifest, you are putting yourself in the wrong vibration, because you're expressing that it hasn't manifested, therefore you're vibrating in lack. And you are now not in alignment with that you wish to attract. So first of all, you need to learn to let go. Okay, you've done the work, you've done it right. Now you need to have faith that it cannot happen any other way. Now you need to understand that there's a process and everything is perfect. Another thing that you need to let go of is attachment. And what I mean by that, you cannot make your happiness depend on the fulfillment of a wish. You need to be happy just from a personal decision. And when you're happy and grateful, regardless of the outcome, you will begin to attract circumstances in your life that will make you happy and grateful, right? So just focus on letting go of the attachment, not worrying, and of course feeling happy and grateful throughout the whole process, no matter what the outcome is. Now, in my latest book, The Formula, I explain in very simple words what the law of attraction is, how it works, and what steps to take to make it work in your favor. So you can order it on my website, mikeygartua.com, under the section books, or you can just look it up on Amazon. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.